Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my natural hair. I like to make some natural hair videos or show you guys different ways on how I style my natural hair, just to help some of you out there struggling to style your hair and do not like the normal high puff, low puff vibe. I just try to bring up different styles you could style your natural hair. Okay, and these styles can go well with medium length, long length, and also short length, but not too short. You get me? So now I'm starting off with my hair. It's quite shrunken and it has been in a high puff, so it's tangled up a bit. I'm trying to make a part right now, so you can choose to make your part on the left side or on the right side. It all depends on your preference. For me, I like to make mine on the left side. Guys, I'm a bit sick, so in case you hear my voice going down and low and high and up, just understand I have flu and it's not corona. Thank you. Moving on, I'm going to make a section in the front part of my hair. I usually like to have a front part. Well, it doesn't come towards my face. Most of my hairstyles are away from my face because I feel when your natural hair is like packed up away from your face, it gives that elegance vibe. You can also have like fringe and all that stuff. It works well depending on the style. Now I'm going to section the middle part of my hair. If your hair is longer, in this part, I would say you just take the middle part and the back part together. But for the style I was going for, or the vibe I was going for, I needed to section the back in order to make the back section. You're going to see what I'm talking about like later on in the video. So now this is the back section. I've separated it. Now I'm going to take the middle part and I'm going to pin that down. If your hair is longer, you can just put it down in the ponytail at the back, but you're going to see why I divided it or made two different sections. So I'm going to pin that down and I'm just going to make sure it's secure. Always make sure it's secure. And if you're someone who has the talent of hiding pins, like bobby pins in your hair, then do you. This is where it's necessary, okay? But if you do not have the talent, just do what you gotta do. But try to cover as many pins as possible and make sure the hair is secure down. Now I'm going to take the right side of my hair, or the right section of my hair. I'm going to twist the ends, like just not twist like two twists, like just one twist, making sure it's secure and pulling my hair, my face, like I like to pull my face so it gives that new hairstyle, you know, when you braid your hair, your face pulls and it gives that new vibe. I like to do that with my natural hairstyle because it just gives that vibe and it just, you know, makes your face look new, if you know what I mean. Anyways, now I'm just going to try to wet my hair a bit. I'm moisturizing it a bit because it was just too dry. And then I'm going to twist it and attach it to the part I've been pinning. That's the middle part, the side part, and now this is the other side part. I don't know what was wrong with my camera. It was just moving and I was just like, what's going on? But yeah, moving on. So now I'm going to take out the scrunchie I used to tie down the back section, and I'm going to take from the left side, the hair from the left side, and then the hair from the right side, and I'm going to pin everything upward, and then I'm going to take the middle section and put it upwards. So this part, this is what I'm talking about. If your hair was longer, it's the middle section hair you would have been using, and you would have just made a I don't know what you call it, but yeah, and then you pin down the hair in between the two sides, the sides that you pinned in the middle. Guys, I highly doubt I'm making sense, but I'm sure you guys get what I'm trying to show. So it gives like a tucked in vibe, if that makes sense. So in case your hair is shorter, this is an option you can do. If your hair is longer, you can just go ahead and tuck the end or the back section once to the middle, and that's definitely going to work out. And from the front section, I'm just trying to move it around to see how it works or what way best suits my face, because I like to walk around and play around with the front section. I feel that's the most important part when it comes to natural hairstyle, because it's just like, this is what makes the hairstyle. Like, this is what you're going to see. This is what people are going to see first. So you have to make sure it's what you really like and how you really like it. So now I'm just, playing around. The first one I was doing was not really working out for me. So I decided to change the bobby pin and tuck it in properly, just so it's, tucked in. And then this side I'm going to add another pin just so it's down a bit, because I felt it was a bit too high. So now I'm just going to tuck it in, and now it gives that, simple, good vibe, elegant vibe. Not doing too much with your natural hair. All of your natural hair are tucked in. And now I'm just going to brush my edges, because sometimes some of this hairstyle, just leave it how your hair is. Just brush it and it will look neat. And make sure it's always brushed, and it always looks brushed throughout the day or throughout the time you're wearing the style. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Now I'm just going to then show you guys what the back looks like. As you can see, I tried as much as possible to avoid so many bobby pins from showing. I'm pretty sure I used like 5 bobby pins, but I tried to avoid bobby pins from showing. And I'm also going to show you guys what the front part looks like. You can make your part neat, but for me, sis, we're just winging it over here, okay? Because whenever I make these styles, I just sit in front of the camera and come up with them. So sometimes I might look confused, but I still end up making it work. And now I'm just going to tie my hair in a scarf for a while. Tying my hair in a scarf gives it that, it makes it settle, like it forms the shape. I hope you guys understand what I mean. But like, I like to tie my hair down for a couple of minutes. It could be 2 minutes, 1 minute. It just doesn't matter. It just gives it a shape. And this is what the hair is looking like. This is my final result. It's looking so elegant. It's giving classy. It's giving good vibes. It's giving natural hair. It's giving simple. It's giving clean. It's giving neat. So yeah, what do you guys think about this hairstyle? Let me know in the comment section below. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want me to do more hairstyle videos, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.